Who's pudding? The little monkey again. Always go and fight with his friend. Trickle, Trickle, did pudding hurt you a lot? Yeah, because Trickle lost some of his fur. Okay, come on, Trickle. Eat the banana. He doesn't like it anymore. Come on, Trick. Eat the banana. Here's Trickle. Come and get the banana. No, no, don't bite. Because I brought with me, guys, because he likes to fight. He's fighting. They are fighting. That's why I take with me. He's fighting, this little monkey pudding is. No, no, no. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. There's the little pudding. He's a monkey this morning, guys. He likes to fight. Wait, no, don't go and fight. No, don't go and fight. It's not nice. Just stay. Stay. No, don't go and fight. Stay. No. I brought me with me, guys, because he's keep fighting his friend. So I'm trying to calm him down. No? Don't go and fight. Stay calm. Stay. Calm down. Calm down. I'm trying to calm you down. Don't go and fight. Not nice. Okay, I'm trying to calm you down. Because I take him with me, guys, because this morning they have an early fight with Trickle. And Trickle lost some of his fur. And then they fight again at the back of our shed. So I take him with me. So I want to train him not to fight. It's not good, pudding. Don't fight. Trying to calm you down. Not nice to fight. You should be nice with your friend. Because if you don't have friend, no more companionship. He doesn't like you anymore if you're not nice. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. This is his friend, guys. That he fight. No, don't fight. He's trying to fight again. No. Don't fight. Not nice. Trickle, if you want the banana here, take it. Because he fight you again. This little monster. Don't fight. Not nice. Oh, don't fight. I said don't fight. Even me, guys, he bite me as well. Look. Don't bite. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Here's the banana. Look. Come on. The banana. He doesn't like the banana, guys. I put you in the shed if you don't stop. I put you in the shed if they're fighting, guys. Not nice. Okay? Don't fight. They're fighting, guys. Okay? Bye for now, guys, because they're fighting.